How to fix Steam pending transaction error. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can fix your pending transaction or cancel your pending transaction on Steam. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser of your choice and then log in into your Steam account. For that, on the search box type in steamcommunity.com/profile. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page of your profile page. If you're already logged in, then this is how it's going to look like. If you're not, then you need to log in with your credential. After you're logged into your account, in the upper right hand side corner, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. As soon as you've done that, a drop down menu appears. From there, go ahead and tap on account details. After you tap on the account details page, it's going to take you to the account information. Here you can see on the first or in the right hand side corner, you have stores and purchase history. So then to go ahead and check your history, click on view purchase history, which is in the upper right. Over here, you'll be able to see all of your transactions that you've made throughout the year. So basically what you'll have to do is you'll need to click on the pending transaction. Underneath, you'll need to click on the cancel button. As soon as you've done that, there will be a confirmation and your pending transaction will be cancelled. So that is basically how you can fix your pending transaction on Steam. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.